Love mango desserts? Then you have to try this Mango Phirni. It's creamy, chilled, and packed with real mango flavor. The perfect Indian dessert for summers. Let's get started. Take full cream milk and let it boil. I'm taking rice that has been soaked for about 2 hours. Adding this to a mixer grinder with very little water. Grind it coarsely, similar to semolina. Be careful, do not make a fine paste. Once the milk starts boiling, add the rice mixture. Immediately start stirring the mixture continuously on a low flame. This will prevent lumps from forming and also stop the milk from sticking to the bottom. Cook slowly until the milk thickens, similar to custard. You will be able to see tiny grains of rice in the mixture. Add sugar. The sugar will slightly loosen the consistency, so continue stirring on a low flame. Add a few strands of saffron, some cardamom powder for flavor, and mix. Now add some fresh mango pulp. Mix gently until everything combines well. Turn off the heat. Add in some chopped almonds, pistachios, and a little rose water. This step is optional, but it adds a nice aroma. Give everything a gentle mix. Now transfer the phirni into serving bowls. Garnish with a few more pistachios and almonds on top. Let the phirni cool slightly, then refrigerate it for about 2 to 3 hours so it can set properly. Your mango phirni is ready. Serve it chilled and enjoy this refreshing dessert. Till then, eat well, live well, and stay blessed.